How to watch Hulu on a projector. Method number 1, using a smartphone or tablet via HDMI cable. Step number 1, connect your device to the projector. Use an HDMI adapter to connect your smartphone or tablet to the projector. You may need a Lightning to HDMI adapter for iPhone or a USB-C to HDMI adapter for Android. Plug the HDMI cable from your device into the projector. Step number 2, open Hulu on your device. Launch the Hulu app on your smartphone or tablet and log in. Step number 3, start streaming. Play the content you want to watch on Hulu. The content will display on the projector screen. Method number 2, using a laptop via HDMI cable. Step number 1, connect the laptop to the projector. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into your laptop and the other end into the projector. Step number 2, open Hulu on your laptop. Open the Hulu website in your web browser or the Hulu desktop app. Log in to your Hulu account. Step number 3, start streaming. Select the show or movie you want to watch and it will display on the projector screen. Method number 3, using Chromecast. Step number 1, set up Chromecast. Plug your Chromecast into the projector's HDMI port and ensure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. Step number 2, open Hulu on your device. Open the Hulu app on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Step number 3, cast to the projector. Tap the cast icon in the Hulu app located in the top right corner on mobile or desktop. Select your Chromecast device to stream content to the projector. Method number 4, using Apple AirPlay for iOS users. Step number 1, set up AirPlay compatible projector. Ensure your projector supports AirPlay or use an Apple TV connected to the projector. Step number 2, open Hulu on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Hulu app and play the content you want to watch. Step number 3, use AirPlay. Swipe down to access the control center and tap on the AirPlay icon. Select the AirPlay compatible device, such as Apple TV or AirPlay enabled projector. Your Hulu content will begin streaming to the projector. Method number 5, using Roku with projector. Step number 1, set up Roku. Plug your Roku device into the projector's HDMI port and ensure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step number 2, open the Hulu app on Roku. Launch the Hulu app on Roku, log in, and select the content to stream. Step number 3, start watching. Hulu will start streaming on the projector via Roku.